In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish or delete a project on Behance. If you have a project on Behance that you no longer want visible to the public or you want to remove it completely, the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access your project settings and choose either to unpublish the project or delete it entirely, depending on what you need. To get started, log into your Behance account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one profile. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the screen and find your profile icon. Hover your mouse over it, and from the menu that appears, select Behance Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page, where all of your projects are displayed. Once you're inside your profile, look for the specific project you want to manage. When you find it, hover your cursor over that project. You should then see a gear icon appear. This gear icon is where you'll find the options for editing the project's visibility or removing it. If you want to unpublish the project, hover over the gear icon and select Unpublish. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you want to continue. This step is important because unpublishing does not permanently erase the project. Instead, it moves the project to your drafts. That means it will no longer be visible publicly on your profile, but you can still access it later and republish it if needed. If that's what you want, click Unpublish in the pop-up to confirm. If you'd rather delete the project completely, the process starts from the same gear icon. Hover over the gear icon again and choose Delete instead. Another confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the action. Click Delete to complete it. Keep in mind that deleting is more permanent than unpublishing, so make sure you're removing the correct project before confirming. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your Behance profile, find your project, use the gear icon, and then choose either unpublish or delete, depending on whether you want to hide the project or remove it completely. If you want a safer option, unpublishing is usually the better choice, since the project will be saved as a draft, and that's how to unpublish or delete a project on Behance.